a beautiful day. So I wanted to do a video today sharing kind of what I eat in a day, trying to be vegan. I've done a great job of it so far. I think I'm 95% vegan. There's been a couple times where I've had some cheese or a couple bites of meat, but overall, I am doing this, guys. But look at here, this is our backyard. We just happen to live right next to a golf course, and just heard that all the golf courses are going to be shut down starting tomorrow.
Not used to this. I don't know how to act, don't know how to adapt to this situation.
But anyway, I just wanted to do a video today sharing what I eat in a day and give you guys some ideas, even though I know a lot of you are feeling like there are not many options at the grocery store right now. But so far, everything that I'm going to show you what I eat, I've been able to find right now during this whole COVID-19 crisis and the grocery stores not having the usual selection that we're used to. This is all stuff that I've been able to find so far at my grocery stores and at Costco. So I think that so far we're still doing fine. We're doing just fine, guys. Let's just keep a positive mindset and know that everything's gonna be okay. Let's just focus on positivity, gratitude, and taking care of our bodies, and also taking care of beautiful Mother Earth. First of all, I have a glass of celery juice, about 16 ounces. I've been doing that every morning for the past few months. That's the way I've been starting my day. And then I will have my favorite plant-based protein. It's the Isagenix Isalean shake. I love the strawberry flavor and the 24 grams of plant-based protein. Tastes amazing. I feel great on it, and I love knowing that I'm getting all that protein and essential vitamins and nutrients first thing in the morning, about 30 minutes after my celery juice. And if you're interested in purchasing these, I'll put the link in the description of this video. Next, I will have some steel cut oats, and I usually make a big batch of this so that I can put it in my refrigerator and save it for other days. So I usually make enough for like 4 days in a row. And this is the perfect like mid-morning snack. You can just make them a small serving size. I put a little bit of almond milk, some sliced almonds or coconut, some kind of berry or fruit, anything you want. You can just get real creative, but it's totally filling, has protein, and tastes amazing. Oh, and to sweeten it, I use organic maple syrup or sometimes stevia or even honey. And then for lunch, so I don't usually have this often, but I love portobello mushroom burgers, and I haven't been able to find a good gluten-free bun either, so I don't usually eat this very often, but it's so tasty. These are all the ingredients that I use to marinate it, and you can marinate it overnight or even just for a couple hours. I use the liquid aminos, the balsamic vinegar glaze, and a little bit of some seasoning, and of course extra virgin olive oil, organic and cold pressed. Let that marinate and grill it on the barbecue, and then put all these amazing toppings like spinach and avocado, tomatoes. You don't even need like mayo or mustard or anything because it's already so juicy from the mushroom and all the marinade and the seasoning, and then the avocados is like God's butter. And then I top it off with some homemade sprouts or homegrown sprouts. Just got some sprout seeds and made my own. It's pretty easy. Look at that, so good. And then one of my favorite little go-to snacks or in-between meals, it's kind of like a treat actually, is fresh berries or strawberries with some coconut whipped cream. Oh my gosh, it's so good if you have like a sweet tooth and you're like me and you need something sweet after you eat something salty. This is perfect. Okay, I just cooked up the stir fry. It has cabbage, onions, cashews, Asian seasoning, just like rice vinegar, some of this soy sauce, liquid aminos. I like this one. And I put a little bit of this chili sauce in there. And I found these at Costco. They're gluten-free, vegan, organic ramen noodles. They're just made out of brown rice and millet. So I haven't tasted it yet, but it looks delicious. I'm gonna eat it right now for dinner, and that will conclude what I eat in the day. gotta eat with chopsticks. It makes everything taste better. So I'll let you know. I'll let you know how it tastes. I've made a lot of these types of stir fries, but this is the first time I've tried this type of noodle that I found at Costco. Usually I just use like a white rice noodle, and I like that this one is brown rice. You could add some other vegetables. I was gonna add some broccoli to this too, because I baked some broccoli the other night, so you can throw in lots of other vegetables, which would be even better. Some green in here would make it perfect. So maybe I'll go do that. I'm gonna go add it.
Not used to this. I don't know how to act, don't know how to adapt to this situation. Not used to this, no I'm not. I better let myself